It is 7:13 in the morning. Got a cold front that came in. Better take my daughter to school and then get to the shop and start this day off. Sorry if it's a little dark. Like I was saying though, the cold front came in. It was 90 degrees yesterday. Today, this morning, it is 36 degrees as of right now. Texas weather is wild, especially if you're up in the Panhandle, and that's where I'm located at right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get my daughter to school, get to the shop. I got one right off the bat. That'll become one of my co-workers, and we'll just see what the day takes us.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
What's good, everybody? Just got to the shop. It is 7:45. About to get to my first haircut. He's already outside, so we're gonna get to that. Then gonna get to my co-worker's haircut, and see if I can squeeze in some walk-ins today. I'm not completely booked today, which is weird because usually Fridays I'm pushing out like 15 haircuts. So I don't know. I'm gonna blame the cold weather. Huge cold front that came in. Also the fact that Halloween is next week, so I feel like everybody's gonna try to just get fresh like next week. But yeah, you know, you gotta charge it off to the game. Sometimes, you know, things don't happen the way that you want it to, but you can't hang your head low. Keep your chest out, chin up, and get those walk-ins. Try to establish new clients. But let's get to the day. Let's get to this first haircut. Everything the same, right? Just a mid-fade. Did you want a little bit trimmed off the top?
Not only the top this time. I trimmed the last time, so
All right,
I'm gonna do the top.
and then the same ends up.
Yes, sir.
Got you, buddy. Vlog Friday in effect. About to cut H-Town's finest. Bo Bundy. Uh-oh.
What was saying?
Bro, I swear the mask be messing up beards, bro.
Ah, shit, my fault. Let me comb it.
Comb it out. Bro, you look too fresh, bro. Narco.
You got that real Miami vibe going with that haircut.
What kind of haircut you want?
Just taper, you know.
The taper?
Yeah,
You want the color enhancement, all that?
sure.
What are we doing to the top?
Just leave it, because I'm gonna comb
Are you
it.
combing it back?
Yeah, kind of like to the back, to the side. I think that's fine. And throw like a little part right here so it looks fresh.
In your opinion, do you have a shag or a mullet?
I would say it's a shaggy mullet.
It's on its way to a mullet though, right?
Yeah,
There's a process to it, huh?
process.
I had somebody
You gotta
comment
trust it.
and tell me that this is a shag with a laughing face, but I mean, everything starts at the beginning, so right now we're gonna call it the beginning of a mullet. I don't really want to call it a shag. You're not Austin Powers, are you?
No, sir.
We're gonna get these less adjusted than they are, so they're not too close to each other.
Manny, we love you.
That's how I feel too.
That's why you told me to use the same razor on 3 people before me.
What's up, bro? You're gonna be on YouTube.
Me?
Yeah.
Boy, they look too much Mexico today.
We're doing a high fade. You want the top edge of a eyebrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Hey, you got a rap battle Oscar, all right?
I don't rap, bro. Man, got it.
No, that's you, bro. What's up, Big Nasty? Wanna hit a freestyle one time? Come on, bro. Do it for YouTube, bro. Do it for YouTube, bro. You want a skin fade? Skin fade. Gotcha, bro.
Manny, we love you.
Get it.
Running it, running it, coming up, flowing it, rolling up, blowing it, keeping it, having it, like in a second, and lining it, some of my verse, and I need it to hearse, my verse, I keep 100, you put in the bottom, I got 100.
Okay. He gave us like a smooth 8. Smooth 8. What's good, y'all? I'm taking my lunch break now. It is 11:57. I just got done with another cut, as you've seen. So you've seen a good handful of cuts I had this morning. I'm not dead. Like, you know, when I say dead, I'm saying like, you know, I have like 8 or 9 cuts. In today's instant, you know, like I said earlier, I had 7, but when I looked at my book sheet again, it was I had 8 cuts. So I'm used to like on a Friday pushing out like 15 haircuts. So going to something like that number, like 8, that seems dead to me, just because I have a lot of downtime. But like I said, it's not just me, it's a lot of the other folks in the shop too that are kind of slow too. And I think it's the weather, like I said. So it is 41 degrees right now, but it feels way colder than that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some lunch and go spend some time with my son and my wife on my lunch break, and then slide back to the shop, finish out the day strong, and yeah, see what else we can get for the vlog. But hopefully y'all are enjoying these haircuts, enjoying these time lapses and whatnot. So I just got this food, head back to my crib. But I want to say that, you know, I'm sorry for not putting out a lot of videos this past week. My sinuses and my allergies been acting up so bad lately. So I just been kind of just chilling from YouTube for the week. But I do have a tutorial in the works right now. It's a super dope transformation haircut, so I can't wait for y'all to see that. Give you a little snippet of the cut after this right here, let y'all see a little preview, and then yeah, then we'll get back to the shop. But take a look, and that's what you're gonna have to look forward to. Hopefully gonna have that drop by I want to say, what's today? Today is Friday. Hopefully I'll have that one dropped on Monday. Just got some beard work, some crispy edge ups, and also a little bit of line work, like kind of design work. So, but I'll let you see that video right now. So. You hungry? No. You gotta see this side. You hungry? Say hi to YouTube. Say hi. Okay. We'll eat. You're so big, Kai.
I know, I don't remember. I don't think I got Maddie's first Happy Meal till she was like 2.
Dang. Look, if you're good, you get a toy. Not that you care about it. Just got done with my lunch break. Headed back to the shop. I got 5 more appointments before we close out the day. Sun came out, still cold, but we'll get to these cuts.
Maddie, we love you.
How you feeling? Gucci? What's up, YouTube? So you see my day, see me chopping all those people at the shop. I didn't get a chance to cut everybody. I'm sorry, I didn't get a chance to film everybody that I cut, but I did get a good bit of people. We were pretty busy today towards the end of the day. Right now I'm just chilling with the kids.
Hello.
And we are eating dinner, and gonna just end the vlog here, in the day here. Hope you enjoyed this this vlog. Hope you enjoyed my day at the shop. If you were not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and until next time, God bless.